Hello again, Earthlings. Today we are going to install this universal front splitter. I bought this splitter 2 years ago. This is a 2-part video. Let's get started. This is how it looks like before adding the front splitter. First I need to add side skirts using metal sheet. This is the area I'm going to add the side skirts. My car has been looking like this for 2 years now without any mods. It's time to give it a new look. This is the metal sheet I'm going to use. And this right here is for the second part of this video. I'm going to convert this car from GL to DX. Right here I'm designing the shape for the mini side skirts. A lot of cutting and hammering done to make the metal sheet fit the body line. I don't have expensive equipment to do this kind of bodywork. And I'm not a professional body panel maker. This is how it looks like. Not perfect, but I'm still proud of myself. Time to do this side as well. 1 whole hour just to do one side. And I need to repeat the work for this side too. I'm just test fitting the front splitter to see how it's going to look like when it's done. And I'm loving it. Can't wait to finish this installation. Nice view from the top. It's time to install the front splitter, finally. Since my cousin borrowed my low-profile jack and jack stand, this is the only way to jack up my car. That is the only jack left at my place, It's a normal jack. And since this car is low, I need a low profile jack to jack up my car without using the brick. This front splitter has 3 parts. One for the middle part and 2 side wings. Right here, I'm installing the support thing for the front splitter. I have no idea what this thing called. All I know is it looks cool and can support the front splitter from falling down. And I bought this support thingy 3 years ago, way before I bought this front splitter. Can you imagine for 3 years this thing just sitting in a drawer waiting to be used? It's a sad life. It's finally done for this part of the video.
Cue music.
Don't forget to watch part 2. Please consider like and subscribe. See you in part 2.